Hi, welcome back. So in this particular video, we will talk about the middle part or the middle panel of Canva. So let's get started. So in this particular middle part, you will first see a search bar. So this is not only a standard search bar, okay? This is powered by AI. So any of the keyword you put, for example, yoga, you will get some suggestions relating to the same particular design, like you want a yoga business card, yoga flyer, or anything like that. Next, we have some suggested content here that you might want to try about creating a document, about whiteboard, about LinkedIn post, Instagram post, resume, and all that stuff. You can scroll through. Next, we have documents. So, documents, you can create basic documents. You got various templates here. Next is whiteboard. Whiteboard is definitely a good area to collaborate with your team, your brainstorming things, and all that stuff. Presentations. So in Canva, you can create very intriguing presentations, okay, with 3D effects and all that animations. You can create good presentations, so it's a great platform. And also you can export your presentation in different formats, so that's a great thing. So relating to the presentation, you will see here various templates according to the topics you want on. Next, we have the social media, and of course mostly used for social media. So these are all the posts and different things you can create. Next, we have videos. As I said, Canva is not only a graphic design tool, it's also a video editing tool. So you can edit various type of videos like mobile, Facebook, Instagram reels, YouTube, and all that stuff. Next, we have print products. So you can get your designs printed to Canva in various formats like postcards, flyers, gift certificate, and all that stuff. Next is the website. So you can build your own website, you can design your own website and launch it through Canva. So this is also great features. So the more sections, there is a lot of things that you can cover, okay, like infographics, book cover, bookmarks, and all that stuff you can create, and also similarly the templates for those particular topics. So when we scroll down again, we see recent designs here. So whenever you create a new design, it will be displayed here. And the great thing about Canva is that your designs are auto saved. You don't have to press Ctrl S or any of that stuff. It will be saved and it will be displayed here. As we haven't created any design, so this part is empty, but we'll be filling it very soon. So this is all about the Canva homepage and all the features that it has to offer. Next, we got to discuss about how to create a design in Canva, and there are many ways you can create a design in Canva. So in the next video we will discuss about it. Hope you like this particular video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and show your love by liking the video. See you in the next part. Thank you.